All right, welcome back, everyone. In this class, we're going to talk about flyers and types of flyers. All right, so in this lecture, we will learn about the various types of flyers with examples and the purpose for each. All right, so this is the content of what we're going to learn. What is a flyer? Common types of flyers, common uses of flyers, types of flyers, examples of flyers, what a flyer should contain. So I'm just going to go to the first lecture, which is what is a flyer. All right. So flyers are one of the most commonly used advertising tools today. Aside from videos, graphics like online, offline people mostly use flyers. It can be used to promote something, including but not limited to goods, food, deals, events, and etc. A flyer is a form of printed or digital advertisement that contains details about a business, product, or services. I'm sure you have seen flyers before. They are meant to tell you something about a business. Probably they're having a sales, or probably they're doing a promotion, or they're trying to tell you that a new car wash has opened near you. Okay, so that is the purpose of a flyer. That is what a flyer is. All right. All right, so why are flyers important to businesses? Why do businesses use flyers? Why do they make flyers? All right, so the primary purpose of a flyer is to promote a product, service, or event. Businesses use flyer marketing to generate awareness of some events, concerts, restaurants, openings, or announce some limited time discount offers. All right, so before you start creating a flyer, you should know what it is used for and why somebody will want to make a flyer. Alright, so common uses of flyers include announcement of special offers for opening of new small businesses such as restaurants, bars, or clubs. Like I said before, when a new bar or a new club opens near you, sometimes you see people sharing flyers just to let you know that okay, a new bar has opened and it's in your area or it's not too far from you. All right, you can also use flyers as handouts, used as information sheets as part of the promotional campaign. Then you can use it to advertise local businesses. All right, so next we have types of flyers. There are four basic types of flyers. There are four basic types of flyers. All right, so number one, we have handbills. So handbills, these are the I'm talking about handbills right now. Handbills, these are the types of flyers containing very little text. Such handbills are usually printed on ordinary paper, used to promote upcoming events or sales. Example, new events, used new event opening, discount coupon, or new movie release. All right, so that is a handbill. I'm sure that you have seen probably people sharing handbills along the road. Most times handbills will not contain graphics. They may have just one or two pictures in them but do not contain some extra work of graphics. All right, and it is usually printed in black and white handbills. All right, so number two here we have posters. So posters are also a type of flyer printed with graphic designs and has images, infographics, and other information. Such a poster is generally posted on the wall, and the flyer sizes are usually longer. It is posters are used to promote events, concerts, films. All right, that is what posters are used for. So I'm going to try and go on the net and search for different so that I can see different examples because I was not able to put them into this lecture. All right, then the next one I want to talk about is pamphlets. Pamphlets are types of flyers known as leaflets. The paper sheets are commonly used for mass distribution and they are printed on paper's normal quality of paper. The purpose is to distribute information to as many people as possible. These are excellent flyers for brand awareness. All right. So most times, in most places I have seen the use of pamphlets is usually in hospitals or to give information about a particular medical product. These are places I've really really seen pamphlets. Or when you go for conferences, maybe a makeup brands conference like Oriflame conference, or New Life conference, sorry. So I'm sure I think they give out pamphlets to showcase some of their products, so you can choose from or have an in-depth knowledge on what these products are about. All right, so the last type of flyer is the digital flyers. There there's no printing involved in digital flyers, and instead the digital material of these flyers is saved as a digital file. This flyer can be used on social media posts or on Instagram. So those flyers you make to post on Instagram, to post on Facebook, to post on WhatsApp, or to send to somebody via email, all right, or to share to somebody in their DM, those are digital flyers. All right, so these are examples of handbills. You can see that they are usually short in length and height. These are various examples of handbills. So okay, these are various examples of handbills. Look at this one. You can see usually short in a square form. All right, so let's check out posters. Let's see images of posters. Like I said before, posters are usually posted on the wall. Posters. Okay, let's just search. Alright, so you can see that posters are usually longer. Posters are usually longer. You can see the way it is. So what you want to design for determines the type of graphics you use, the space you leave in between your words or your graphics. Alright, these are examples of posters. Alright, so what else did I talk about? Let's check for pamphlets. Pamphlets. Alright, so these are examples of pamphlets. Alright, so you can see that a pamphlet is those type, like I said before, that shared usually like in a hospital or places like that. They have conferences. You can see that they are foldable sheets of paper. They can be folded into four sizes, just like those instruction manuals that follow your refrigerator, your television. Those are examples of pamphlets, except in this occasion you are designing as a flyer, so you can add some graphics and text to it. So these are examples of pamphlets. So let me go back now and search for images of a digital flyer. I hope you can see the difference. All right. Oh no. All right. So now you see the difference. These are images of digital flyer. This is what a digital flyer looks like. All right.